Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 2nd April 2021. So this video is for 2nd April only. You'll see me on Sunday again with the analysis for the coming week. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market and you do not miss any opportunity. Please do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs. So let's jump to the chart. So as you can see that after this fall, market is not having any volatility. Okay, market is kind of flat. Market came, okay, market fell, took support here, went up a little, came down. Again, market is trying to go up. But we can see that the power is missing, the steam is missing, neither it is going up nor it is going down, the volatility is not there. So there is a theory in the market, and market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. Here see, market was not having any volatility, and see, market moved from lower volatility to higher volatility. Again, market is not having much volatility. Okay, so there is a good chance there will be seeing a volatile market soon. Let's look at a weekly chart. In the weekly chart, you can see that this present candle, okay, looks like a hammer with price rejection from below. And the previous candle also, you can see that though it's a red candle, but there was some price rejection, which means that there is a price level in the market which is being supported by the buyers as of now. Okay, so buyers are trying to hold a price level. Okay, so things are not very clear in the weekly chart as well. Still, you can see that this level, okay, this level is trying to act as a support for the market in the weekly chart. So what should be a strategy then? So as of now, market is here, market is trading here. So I'll tell you that you should not do anything right now, because the market is in middle, and neither it's in a position to short the market nor it's in a good position to buy the market. Okay, because the chart is not very clear to us. Okay, therefore the best way is to wait for the market to come down to this particular support level, 0.6940. 0.6940. Okay, we'll have to wait for the market either to come down to the support level, or to market to go up and reach this particular level, which is the resistance for the market, 0.7179. Okay, so right now market is in no trading zone for us. Okay, we do not need to trade right now, because see, nothing is in our favor right now. Okay, neither we have the area of value, neither the chart is clear, neither the trend is clear. Okay, nothing is clear to us. Then why you should risk your hard-earned money in a chart like this that you do not understand? It's not it. So wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market either to go up or either to go down. Okay, because if market goes up and reaches this level, 0.7179 level, then we'll have to observe the price, because this is a resistance. If market reverses from here, okay, with price rejection from above, we'll short the market, then there will be no problem. And in case market comes down, and takes support at this level, okay, then we will go for a buy order just above this level, because right now market is taking support at this level, and we have also seen the same thing on the weekly chart. So we can just go for a buy level here, and easily we can target 50 to 60 pips if we buy here. So as of now, market is in no trading zone. Okay, wait for the market to either hit this level or this level. This is it. So this is the analysis and strategy that you can follow for NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 2nd April. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you again. Bye bye. Take care.